Welcome back to Displacement Garage. Today we're going to be picking up our Project Rally car. And we wanted to thank today's sponsors, you guys. Thank you all so much for your love and support on our small business. We greatly appreciate everything you guys do for us, from liking, sharing, subscribing, all the way to purchasing on our website. Day 1 we didn't get back until late, so we will resume on day 2. Guess what vehicle that is? Oh my goodness. It's a Corolla! Everybody welcome our new project car, Wasabi, to the fleet. We were told that Wasabi does not want to shift. She comes without a battery. And one additional problem we will show you guys later. As far as a build for Rallycross, we really just want to get out there, so it's not going to be extreme. We are, however, going to have to take out literally everything on the inside because this car does reek. But look how cute the outside is. You can tell she's got a little personality already, huh? Wasabi. She wants to. She's happy. Come on, old girl. It sounds like the fuel stuff's coming on. What gas is what? Is this one on the end? Is this regular?
Yep.
Dang.
Yeah, it ain't got no gas in it.
Got a lot of pressure built up too.
Yeah. Here, man. No, that'll work.
Carbon monoxide. Heck yeah. This thing's sick. Definitely need new battery terminals because those suck. I'm a good battery terminal replacer. I've done that like a gajillion times. Now hold, you remove. Good job, baby.
There's that battery strap too.
Yeah.
Cool, isn't it?
What color coolant is it? Green? Or blue?
Nasty.
Oh, it is nasty. What color is it supposed to be? Green?
Yeah, drain and flush.
Yeah. It's like a dead goldfish. The old flush and drain. That's alright. That's alright.
It's pretty easy to work and stuff. Your injectors are just not there.
Yeah. You think we picked a good day? I think, yeah.
I think we gotta get a.
New plugs, new wires.
Yeah,
Check the distributor and everything. At what, 250,000 miles? Probably ain't had love in a little bit.
There's a sensor.
What sensor is that?
That's a map sensor.
Oh,
Map
yeah.
sensor.
There it goes, right there.
Make it run better with a map sensor in it.
I think it's pretty sick. I'm pretty excited about it. That's gonna be sitting on the job. It's gonna be sitting on the job. That's all the way in.
Okay. I'm just making sure the throw-out bearing work.
That's all the way out.
Yeah.
That's all the way in again.
Now where's the shift mechanism? Shift one here.
Yeah. Looks like it. I don't know how loose or tight that's supposed to be. It looks kind of loose.
Sounds like it's popping in.
I don't know how structurally sound that bar is supposed to be, but it's kind of sloppy.
What's that?
Are you just shifting it back and forth?
Yeah, I just. Definitely needs a new bushing on the shifter.
Gosh. Hey!
Need a gas tank.
Yeah. Probably want to make things started for nobody. There's just something
Let me see that lot there.
for someone.
Wasted on that.
Well, not technically. We know that there's a repair needed, so it's not a waste, you know? Because it'd be crappy if we got all this other stuff done to it and didn't know that, you know?
Don't open that up. Is that side piece? Is that here?
Hmm. Baby. Next time we get a vehicle, we're checking all this stuff before we leave.
Why?
Because what if there was a body or something back here? And we just hauled it all the way back. It's for that. No, other way. Yeah. Does that carpet pull up? Does that carpet pull up?
No.
Fence. Probably connected to those clips up there. Gross. You are or are not?
That's if you want to.
And it'd probably make it less stinky.
Yeah.
Since it looks like it all has stuff on it. Can I get a oh yeah? Can I get a oh yeah? Oh, you're plugged in. Heck yeah, baby. So strong. Go baby, go baby. Secret ashtray of doom and despair. It's to your left, it's back there. Right here. Ooh, nothing. Dang. What a missed opportunity. Even Houdini had more stuff in there than this. Houdini's sketchier than this car. Need to get something to fill in that hole right there. On the bottom of the other seat.
No, that's it. Check it out.
8? No, it's not. Are you lying?
No, it's 722.
Oh. I was like, we do this every time.
We did. I told you we'd get in here and
We just can't quit, you know what I mean? Look how effective this mini trash can is. Pretty good for day one pulling, baby. You knocked a lot of that out. I'm proud of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch y'all later. Bye.